Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix CarX stock loading at Initializing environment. If you have facing this problem, so you have need watch this video and solve your problem within 5 minutes. Firstly, go back on your home screen. After then go back on home screen and tap on Play Store or App Store. Tap on Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar and search it CarX and check if your CarX is update or not update. If your CarX game is not updated, so firstly update your CarX game and check it your problem solved or not. If you have still facing this problem, so second option, go on your second option. So just type on settings, mobile settings. If you have using iPhone, so just type on iPhone storage and search it CarX and offload your CarX game. If you have using Android device, so just tap on management, app management and tap on app list. You'll see loading, please wait and search it CarX and tap on CarX and clear cache or clear data of the CarX game. After then back on main settings and check it your internet connection. If your internet connection is not properly work, so just connect your Wi-Fi device and smoothly play your CarX game. So apply this meta. Then if you have still facing this problem, so last option, tap on Play Store and tap on search bar and search it clone, CLONE, clone app, and install any application to accounts dual app space. So just tap on this application and install this application and clone your CarX game application and play your games. Your problem has been 100% solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel for other informative videos. Thanks for watching for my video.